Mayo House by Elástica Studio in SONSONATE, El Salvador. Winner of the Salvadoran Bienal 2022 award in the Architectural Design category. Located on a small white sand beach in western El Salvador, we find a plot of land full of tamarinds, fire trees, and mayflowers. The tropical exuberance of the land infiltrates every corner of the house, refreshing and giving it a sense of open intimacy. The architecture is limited to channeling the circulation and framing the functions so that the natural place is the one that shines. The house lives in its surroundings and informs the use of its spaces in such way that they are always in communion with the exterior. The materiality was very consciously selected with the intention that it would age nobly and tell its story as the years go by. The house is born out of the area where it is located. The bricks in the bathrooms and kitchen, as well as the wicker and ceramic lamps, were worked with local craftsmen, while the dry bamboo walls were all sourced from a nearby renewable plantation.